Hello, everybody. This is Tando Mash, to the wave. You go Efron and Shroud of
This
this way. And I mean, I know it's the girls' show, but recently we've been having a boy in the studio. But like, I like having episodes and conversations with Sianda. So this is my show. Also, you can't tell me what to do.
Yeah, I can't tell you. Can invite a guy here, my phone. Sibonge leli thuba wena sigebele silokufika lana. What it is, everybody. This is Mfana Kasiyanda Mr. Mbatha. Abafokazana bethiya ngamahlahla, amahlahla thiya ngenkomo. Ngisho yena umthiya indaba ezithi impela.
Bling, 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 sparkles. And then you guys are fine.
No. Masparkles wani? Masparkles wani?
This is my show. I just told about this is my show. What do you mean?
Funeka la masparks. Yabo masparks strike. Like motel, they're like thunderstorms.
No.
Oh,
for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes, actually, that would be nice. That would be nice.
Then for you, yeah, sparkles.
And then you guys are here.
Yeah, siyazikhulumela nje. Akavumi nokuvuma enhle yazibeke bangcono kube kuthiwa
uyasijutha. Unikhanda uthi.
Uyaniki. Damn.
Like uthi ayengize ngiyenza leyo nto.
Damn. Yeah.
Yo, you guys, it's been such a long time since I've been in front of the camera. Like I forgot who Tando Mesh is for a very long time. Yo.
What's been going on?
This is undercover.
Eish, ne. Yeah, man, peace lapha hamba phansi kwamanzi.
Yeah, I've been.
Yeah.
So it's actually good to be back. Like I was so excited. Yeah, Kumbula when we met like last Saturday, we just decided next weekend we're doing this again. And your mom asked me to, and I was like, oh no, we're shooting again on the weekend.
Yebo.
And other people as well. They've also been asking.
People have been asking.
You know when people,
it's a nice thing, but I think it kind of shows with. It's one of those moments to like how fine man.
You know when I used to look at like these other like small creators like ourselves for now. Now. When they used to say, people have been asking, and I thought, but now I can actually see what people actually ask. Like there are people who actually watch and like support like that.
I actually had a cool encounter with a guy, it was
when that day.
No. There was one of what it was a while back, Nyan. How mang hamba. Exe. Uelela fa na Muslim wa comedy yakena man. Itacho mi yankena. No. Utlabana man mo YouTube man. Yeah, fere. Sharp. That was a cool interaction.
That's cool.
He also asked me a little time man yan born and living in Tulile.
What
the hell's been going on?
Yeah.
Like man, so we are man.
And this is weird. And this is weird. That used to happen to me a lot at Groove. Like Mine angsa Groove. I don't meet people a lot anymore.
Groove actually.
Yeah.
Fuck. It's a long time ago. Mausa big space
Yeah. I think last year, beginning of last year, like in February last year. That was the last time I went to Groove.
Where were you?
Bengse. What is this place called? Like Carnival City.
New Orleans.
Yes, I was at New Orleans.
Yeah.
I was at New Orleans. It was nice. It was nice. Now, mind you, what with this other guy, I would say, who remember Elijah was here.
Yeah,
we spoke about that whole bottle thing where this guy drank our alcohol.
Oh, yes. Yes.
But that literally was my last time at Groove. And if I knew, oh my God, I was going to go
wild.
Crazy, go wild. I was going to have like the final one. Missing it eye.
No matter like Mount with everything, you still can like go to Groove. Permitted,
I mean, even now,
like
the problem is there's a curfew, but the problem is, am I going to be able to stay there? Like that's the big question.
But do you have to stay there? I mean, so long as you had fun, even if it's the 2 hours.
No, I won't stay 2 hours. I won't stay 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's avoid it altogether. This is why I'm saying I'm not going to go anymore. The thing is now, I don't want to say I know better and others don't, but like, and no bet.
Sure, shoot them on do it to Nestle.
No, that's not what I'm saying. This is why I'm saying this. I didn't want to say that, but like, I won't go. Like, I won't go. I don't think there's anything for me there. I think Leon Pilo Leoni Pilile, and I'm okay with it. I'm content.
Yeah, I remember that. That was a nice time, though.
That was an era.
Yeah, that was a nice time. For those that guys, I think you should reference Abo Music. What? Musical excursion.
Oh yes, musical excursion. Yeah,
check that out.
Like like we always come back every time we see shoots. Oh, I'm so hungover.
Yeah. How was it last night?
I know. Like it was a nice phase. I don't want to lie. Yeah. Especially like when we meet each other at Groove and nobody talks. No, some men say like Petos down. We just find each other. Like sometimes.
That was the wildest thing. Like how striker. Like, oh, sure.
What are you doing here? And like on one of the busiest days, like that day, yo.
Yes.
Also, I think that particular day I think it was Kevin's birthday. Ne?
Yes.
Like that. Also, young keeper go groove. Like where I was like, you know what? Actually, I'm not doing this anymore. That day ended horribly. It ended horribly. Like that morning. Where So I was like, no, actually, what's the point of this? Because I think you're spending money. I wake up with a hangover. But
at least you've got memories, man.
No, I have memories. Like I'm grateful for that era. It was nice. Like peak youth.
Yeah.
Peak youth. And Israel. You know, like in Joburg. I used to groove.
The nightlife. Yeah.
Oh, I used to groove. Oh, what a nice time.
No, when escapes are shooting.
No, not that time. I was saying as I say Josie girl that time.
Way back before that.
Yeah, like during and after college. During and after college, that was a nice time. Of course. And andifuna ukuthi ngibe superstar yenu ngiyanibona. Have you subscribed?
Yay.
If not,
we're watching you.
Please subscribe, like, comment, share abantu abaningi nje ukuthi sizokhula bese nawe uzoba khona la ngelinye ilanga. Who knows? So do the right thing, man.
Yes, you definitely have to.
Yeah, man. Skebs, what's happening in these streets, man?
In these streets, Gabe says there's nothing much happening. I don't know if why? The Everybody Show. Because I'm gonna talk about soccer. Which is a bit unusual for it's unorthodox, but it is the media production.
I used to watch soccer when I was pretending, so
oh, okay. Now it's man. No,
I used to know because I actually used to watch it. But there was a time where I used to enjoy it. Favy Chales. Yeah, like Favy Chales.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I used to enjoy it, and then and I was like, yeah, because it's not something I actually really like that.
So now you Chelsea enjoying boy favor was it because Uswidi Pai Begay favor or just because you were interested in it?
Oh, who was I seeing at the time? No, the person I was seeing at the time, Roxanne. Like I favored Tottenham, and I'd never met anyone who favored Tottenham. Like, why available favor? Oh, because my friends in college, Abo Mangoba and Abo Tumi, rest in peace. Bona beba favor Chelsea. So it just made sense. I was like, oh well, let's join the bandwagon. You know, when you're young, impressionable, you like whatever your friends like.
Yeah. Okay. So what is going on in the streets? UEFA is planning on boycotting a tournament with FIFA. So not FIFA the game, FIFA the organization. Okay. Yeah. And then UEFA, for those that don't know, it's practically
yes. Football association.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So there's a current Tefnyana going on there, and the reason behind that is the current president of FIFA is planning on selling a stake of FIFA to private investors or private corporations. I think 20% at a certain amount of money. So now the problem with that, or rather, UEFA is having a problem with that because, like, what the fuck? If FIFA is not supposed to have private interests in the midst of it.
Okay.
So, njengoba kunjalo-ke, iFIFA ke yathi hayi nina nizazibona nina UEFA thina saqhubeka ngale deal kushuthi ngayikhe. So now I think they're on that process to actually finalize the thing, like get the buyers, people to buy those stocks. So UEFA yathi no, because you guys are gonna do that, we are gonna boycott my tournament. Meaning, if it continues, then in the next World Cup, we stand a chance of not having to see about England, the defending champions, Spain, all those European teams playing in the FIFA World Cup.
Oh, I was trying to understand what UEFA has to do with FIFA.
Okay.
That's like their own thing. So like
they practice the cooperation for all European football.
Also, the continent as a whole.
The continent as a whole,
like
Europe.
AFCON.
Yes, like AFCON. So yeah, in the manje. So it's a bit interesting to see what's gonna happen because like. What do you mean there's going to be a tournament or World Cup live? We don't get to see Abo Yamal. We don't get to see Abo Mbappe. Lamine Yamal.
Abo Mbappe. Sterling.
Oh shit, that's not long Mbappe. I remember there were memes that used to go around Mbappe about him being a dictator. Those were cool. So much so, Kona engibonile, it's almost like an anime, and the storyline is of the World Cup. Anime.
Okay.
What did I say?
Anime. Yes, you weren't wrong.
Okay. Yeah, anime. Okay. I'm a Popeye.
What kind? Skips, there's a difference between anime and animation.
No, like anime. Like adult animation and adult animation. Like there's adult animation, which is anime, then there's animation.
Or anime is
anime.
Adult.
Yeah.
Enemy.
Okay. Yeah. So they did the storyline around the World Cup. That was really cool. Fucking amazing. Really would love it if they could actually do like an actual series of it. That would be cool.
Okay.
But yeah, I like the memes that were going on. And yeah, it was a really interesting tournament. Did you guys perhaps get a chance to see any matches?
From the World Cup?
Yeah.
Oh no, do you know when South Africa was playing? I didn't know until like the next day.
Yeah,
but Mama Memeza ngo-3.
Skips kanjani.
I promise, like I didn't know.
Yo, country yonke ivukile ngo-3. Everyone is up.
But I like how South Africans can do that. Like, they can support, like we support our teams like that. Remember Nange World Cup rugby?
Like,
we were there. Like it was down. And,
what
a night. Like Bafana was playing. Like we didn't know rugby. I still don't. I don't know what the hell's going on there. But like people were watching it. Like I like how we can come together and do that. Like how even on TikTok, if somebody comes for South Africa, ibangile.
But man, just now that you mentioned Linda, the support we have, there's actually been I'm not gonna say I'm a complaint, but there's a consensus going around yoguti women's sports, particularly women football, is not particularly considered as much as like male sports, like male soccer. For instance, Ibanyana Banyana, I don't know if you know, but they are actually participating in a tournament match, a women's AFCON, WAFCON, as it's known. So there's just a consensus ukuthi man ingati see South Africa ngaba mnandi masingaba supporter as much as we support the other male sports and all this stuff. So Angas, have you heard of that or
ukuthi they're in the tournament right now?
Yeah.
If I didn't know that South Africa was playing the men that we say we support so much,
how would you know?
You can assume I don't know that they're playing. I didn't know, but also, I mean, I knew there's a World Cup going on.
Yeah. Yes. I would actually assume.
Yeah, I get you. But yeah, I'm not really on my phone like that, so I wouldn't really know.
True.
But it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Let's use unfortunate for the lack of a bit. It's unfortunate that we don't know that they are, because they actually win.
They actually win. Banyana wins, and hopefully, in this coming tournament, they do come with it. But we are now.
But I don't think it's just a South African problem. That one.
Yeah, that's a kind of it's a global thing.
It's a global issue because previously, I don't think women played soccer out in the open like that. So it's something new to society. I think we have this thing where we want to force society to get used to things. Ne? I'm not saying it's a good thing that we didn't know that Banyana was playing, but we take time to adjust to things. Because if you look at, let's say, for instance, the legalization of, I don't know, what I'm about to say sounds... It sounds offensive, but I don't know how to say it. Like the legalization of marriages between homosexuals. It's something new. Yeah. We can't expect society to just accept. I'm obviously for them. I'm saying, Guti, it's not something overnight. It's now a norm, and people have to get used to it. Yeah. We need to consider where people come from, where our country comes from, and things take time for us to get used to them. We will eventually get used to them, and it makes sense when people also come out in rage in saying, oh no, you guys don't accept us. This one said this about me. It makes sense. You feel like that because that's you. It's not nice not being accepted.
And, to South Africa's credit, I think like Africa, we're one of the few countries that actually are the most liberal.
We are the most liberal.
When it comes to...
I think we are the most liberal in general.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't know. I haven't traveled Africa like that, but I'd like to think that we're the most liberal.
Yeah, I'd like to believe so. We'd like to believe. Why are you gay?
Exactly. Like up there in Africa, countries are very homophobic.
It's crazy. Otherwise, what's been going on in your end, man? What are your streets saying?
My streets, my streets are dangerous. My streets are dangerous, guys. Yo. There's something I want to talk about pertaining.
Yeah.
My street as well as like the real world.
Pertaining to the matter.
Exactly. Like my streets, guys, in my street it's dangerous. What I can say is, guys, obviously can't divulge much, but guys, like keep yourself safe. Okay, so what I wanted to talk about particularly is like the repetition of history.
Okay, right?
If not corrected, history will repeat itself.
Sure.
And now you're looking at society and what's bringing our society, let me say South Africa specifically, to its knees the way it's being brought to its knees. Is the fact that history repeats itself. I mean, we can't do the same thing and expect different results, right? So let's talk about, let me make up a family structure, all right?
Yeah.
You're the father. There's the mother, right? You have 3 kids, 2 boys, 1 girl, and then previously, before getting married, because people have pasts, you were a cheater, like you were just any Tom, Dick and Harry planting seeds everywhere, and then now you fall in love with this woman. And that's like your wife. And you're like, oh, I'm marrying this one. And you have a beautiful family, but then there are those kids that you left. Right? Your father did the same thing. His grandfather did the same thing. The one before that did the same. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah. Like, if we don't correct these mistakes,
we need
they come back.
Yeah,
right?
We need to change the cycle.
And I'm not trying to I don't want to make this podcast about Sangoma stuff.
No, I don't think it's necessarily Sangoma stuff, but like it's things going on.
Absolutely, but when I look at it, spiritually, I can see where it comes from, right?
Okay.
So there are certain things that people don't fix and they come back to bite them because they're not fixing. Oh, we don't do this, Somebody changed something somewhere. People were doing this thing, and all of a sudden one person was like, I'm not doing this. But I see it, Leon, like her. Then certain things happen and you wonder, why can't we get jobs? This one, or drugs, something as simple as that can be like a lineage issue.
Oh shit! And we don't think it. We don't think that far.
You never think that far. I was shocked to find out. Damn, that's actually crazy. So this person was actually predestined to go do drugs, like.
That's wild. Oh, that's wild.
So now I'm thinking, like, how can we as parents, like, ensure that these things don't continue to happen?
Ish. Now that question is a bit tricky to answer because technically, do they really know which shit is going to end up as crazy as it does at that point in time? Or now, do they also think they're doing different from what they experienced before?
Oh, good question. Good question. Because something. Yeah, no, that's a good question. Because then, like, some things can be the same thing, but it doesn't look the same.
Yeah.
Because, for instance, some girl on TikTok, I think I saw it on TikTok somewhere this week, who she was what was she talking about? I lost my train of thought. I saw that word. Oh, she was talking about the blesser, right?
Yeah.
This guy, Cressida back in the 90s, buying somebody else a 3310. That person died of HIV. Now, different alcohol, different phone, same guy.
Yeah.
Now, again, different phone, iPhone 17 Pro Max. So we mood. So same thing is happening.
Sarita, what the fuck? Yo, brand.
Yeah, no, so it's like it's the same thing. It just looks different, but it's the same. Any is more palatable, another one isn't.
Yeah.
It's a good question to ask. Because also we're not a very self-aware society. Like with actually mangenza kanje. Umama nayo ke wayenza lento. You check families where the mom had a child amncane, the child has a child amncane, the grandchild has a child. Like, Mara, I don't see a problem with people having children. They're supposed to.
Yeah.
They're supposed to. He just normalized I mean, but given the economy and stuff. What were we talking about?
No, we were just mentioning in the Boguti, like if you don't change things, like how do you prevent things from the pattern or the same thing from repeating itself? Like it's in Charanjan. So, ngisho manje on that consensus yokuthi at that point in time, I guess we'd have to find out. I wouldn't say just one generation, but like previous generations what they did. I think Balega Lab was the family tree.
Absolutely.
That's where we have
you
to
need to know where the
so
hell
when
you come
you
from.
know it's okay. This when so
Okay, so here's the answer. It's in us being honest to our children because our parents were never honest. Like I like asizihlawuli ingane. Why? Isuka leyo nto leyo. You see, to ask why. Like it would be nice if they were open and honest. Exactly. Like ukufihla indaba yokuthi lo mntana lo akusuka la ekhaya. And it's something that like keeps repeating itself. Abantu babambiswa amajazi, abantwana bala ekhaya babambiswa amajazi. Yayibo.
Yeah.
It would be nice if parents were forthcoming with that information.
True. I think it really would help. Just to be honest, man. I should so.
But now, the thing about becoming the generation that like changes the status quo, like doing things differently from our parents. So we don't know how it's gonna end up.
I think so long as we follow our guts, man.
So we'll just do it and then
Just
like
do
hope
it.
for the best.
Yeah. That's the best we can do.
Because here's another thing I'm thinking about, right?
Yeah.
I'm looking at how girl children are raised and how boy children are raised and how both end up becoming in society.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm looking at like people now, how like moms are tougher on the girl children and softer on their boys. And most families are headed by women, right? And you look at how the girl children actually end up having a more stable. I'm speaking generally. I'm not saying it's like that for everyone. Are generally more successful than the boy kids. They build stable lives. They get homes. They get cars. They get a nice stable job. They get an education, as opposed to low abam.
As escapes out in your this goddamn mic.
As a boy child.
God damn it. I think keep a lento young singer, man. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Nick Leg, I mean, that's Gibby Lips. This is just my opinion, but Lime Clavenitro, there are two kinds of boy moms. A boy mom that's gonna want umfana wakhe a replace ubabakhe, and there's gonna be umama owazi ukukhulisa insizwa baba wekhaya. So in most cases, it's a bit unfortunate ukuthi the first one becomes the usual option. That becomes the usual option. Umama agcine sekabona ukuthi umntanakhe amenze umngani wakhe. I think that also plays a role in that. Like you be soft in the childhood and because of 1, 2, 3. So I don't want umntanam nayangzonde or umntana magana baba. I want to fill the leso skaba leso. So he's gonna act out. He's gonna do what he does. It's cause agana baba. I feel like that's just an excuse, man. That's just an excuse. I mean,
no,
Marangbo busy out there doing some crazy shit. Like most kids who had my background too. So yeah, man. I think inking ifika lapho ekutheni there are some parents that don't call out the bullshit when it's still early.
Of course.
Mntana bamjwayeze vele ukuthi hayi shema yenza hayi u-actor apho uzoba right shema uboy yazi uzoba right man akanababa.
Akanababa. Fuck that shit. Akanababa.
That's crazy, yeah. So yeah, man, those are just my 2 cents. Indaba ngathi iqala lapho.
Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi
Yeah, indaba iqala lapho, just the raising style. Because uyabona kwanathi, look at how we were raised. Thina besikhuliswa ngokuthi mfethu, we were lucky enough to be one of the last generations that experienced indaba yokuthi endlini kufanele kube endlini ingakakhanyi ngaphandle. Apollo ishaye so sendlini. Scapes nawe mara wena bonakala ukuthi ukhulele ebalungwini ama street lights. What the case under. So listen, be in the house before the street lights get on, okay? Hey, Joey Apollo things, Joe.
Apollo bewakhanya nge-white. Yabo ungangijudge.
You missed out.
I know I did.
On the orange.
Le orange.
Amber. Phela mele smage. Phela wasithatha
Oh,
kanjani?
this is why Amp is orange. You see?
No. Amber.
Amper. Amp is orange.
That's what I'm talking about. Amper.
Oh, you were so dramatic.
Shake her like hey, Amper.
Exactly.
Amper.
Yeah, like I forgot what you were saying.
Oh no, Sibung Sasho and
yes,
Tina, we were fortunate enough to be from that generation.
Of course, I think so too. Because I think, Tina, we lived in a mixed generation.
Yeah.
Like, abazali bethu didn't raise us the same way. Because I had friends where their parents were quite liberal. I had friends where their parents were just like mine. I had friends where their parents were like...
I was a little bit of experiment. We're going wild. It's the new year 2000. Oh.
Like, and the thing is, I think bekuya ngokuthi umama wakho ungakanani. Because some people had young parents.
Oh.
Some people had old parents. What did you think?
I'm like, what? A big mama? Oh, no, this guy.
No, I mean the age. The age of your parents. The age of your parents plays a role in how they raise you.
It does. So wait, actually, in your experience, which of Jongabusha Shuguti, like the different age groups, so in your view, which ones did good? Okay, for lack of better words, which ones did good and which ones it's a bit critical but stable?
I think I don't want to.
Without like being specific, let's say like
let me say the pros and cons of.
Yeah.
I think let me start with how I grew up. Mina Benkulso Hitler guys. Dictatorship. Like we are running a program in this house. Here, Hulasaka.
And
you do what I say you do. You get what I'm saying? My mom was the type of like nothing was funny. Like nothing is funny, and I'm not gonna laugh at nonsense. You know what I'm saying?
Don't have time to play.
Don't have time to play. Where you are not allowed to feel anything besides happiness, because what do you have to be sad about? What exactly?
What else do you need? Because you love school at that age, eh? It's the best thing ever.
Yes! Oh, what?
Shout out school.
Yes, shout out school. I liked school in high school though. Like the learning part.
Serious, man?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I was singing
No, but I had a time in primary where I was like, nah, fuck this shit.
I don't want this. I'm moving out here.
A primary job. I hated. I hated school. Like I never outright said it, but like I hated school in primary. I got to high school and it was like a different vibe. Because I think I went into high school with like a different mentality also.
Yeah.
And high school was nice for me in terms of like the learning experience. Except even grade 9. I didn't enjoy that. Bengezwa lutho. Yabona futhi lo baba bekangifundisa. Hayi bengingamuzwa shame. Baba bantu lo uyakhuluma and ngathi abanye bayamuzwa silima yini.
Yeah. Popeye wuwe kahle. You are the funny one.
Hey, okay.
Interesting way. I think I'm also the similar way. Ngikhuliswe ile ndaba ukuthi mfethu. Okay, was lucky enough ukhuliswa ugogo nomkhulu. So it was okay, man.
I didn't know that.
Really?
Gibbs, like yes, I used to think Ustrike as the most secretive person, ne? Marawena.
I was kids, this guy. Sorry.
I didn't know. I remember this one party kutu, but I thought like I lived with my grand for like a year or two, so I thought it was the same vibe for you too.
Oh, okay, no, Mina, my foundation phase, oh, TKZ.
Guys, this cool.
Yeah, my child was about to later. Voicemail. So yeah, in my foundation phase, man, then I moved in with my mom. I think, close to World Cup or something. Yeah,
that was 2010.
Yes.
Hi, uhlalile na.
But it was good. Ngikhumbule shem inkizana ezitsha shem lapha. Right? Yeah, but the structure was exactly like that. Ukuthi mfethu ngaphandle i-Apollo is all endlini. I remember this one time ngakhohlwa ke-Apollo. Bekumnandi ziyawa. Yazi ukuthi nalama apple orange bawanokubrofa ngaloko usitshela ukuthi kusesemini. Mawuthi what the fuck. Yo.
I'm going to get beat.
Get nyavuli gate. Yo, we get the key. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm still
my
nine.
grandmother.
I'm still 9. What the fuck?
My grandmother was that type, yeah.
Yo. I jump back gate, guy. Jumpings. Nyangena. Ngivula umnyango. Bhekela phekishini. Amakriza ke kwaye. Ngene. Mangena. What do you want? Beat the shit out of me.
Surprise.
Beat the shit out of me. But afterwards, the best meal I have ever had.
You know, I feel like those were actually the best nights. Back shy.
Yeah.
Shy.
Mashak puma in dust.
Atufaka ama-stockings. And then, number 2, hamburgers.
Yeah.
Bese bayageza bakire iyababa ne qeda bakugcobisa ushayini basi put on your pajamas and your gown
then ciao
yabuzo skips
Mara later now.
Okay, sorry. Chinese was leader, uhlale lapha ehitheni or lapho ku fireplace so hleli lapha on your little chair. They give you food and it's like the best thing you've ever tasted.
Yes.
Amehla avuvukele mara ashisa kamnandi.
Yeah.
Mawuqeda lapho bathi hambo la uthangilelanga. And then next thing you wake up on your bed.
I was wondering how that happens. Like, what the fuck kind of sorcery is this? How? Like, kwenzakalani?
But I was explaining how it grew up, man.
Yeah, but yeah,
I said
that's how many escapes mara most uqedile kanti awukaqedi. I thought you were done. Oh my god.
Ungene emlomeni. Yeah. Bekanjalo ne wena escapes. But like when it comes to cleaning and stuff, her thing was hambofunda.
Okay.
Hambofunda and like I'm a producer. I learned how to cook when? I think after matric.
You learned to cook after matric?
Yes. Like being pega sometimes. Yabo mankhaba ungana baby ya experiment. Mina. No, I did cat.
What?
Yeah. I don't know why people think I did hospitality. Like ngiyafanele.
No, man.
I did cat.
No.
I did cat.
No. Oh, gosh. What? Anyway, nah. Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I did cat.
Angeke.
I swear. I didn't do hospitality.
But you once cooked, boss.
Where?
What? Excuse.
I once cooked where?
Why am I picturing you a chef once upon a time ago?
No, yes, I was.
Oh, yeah.
No, I thought you meant I cooked at school. No, I didn't.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought
I worked for this other company, this catering company, yes. I did work as a chef.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, at least I hadn't lost my mind.
Fuck. You cooked, no.
As you were.
As I was. Yeah, like amateurs. Mina till today angikwazi ukuclean find the best. Ngiyacleana yebo. Mara mina ngiyabona hayi. Sometimes
khona ungayenza ngcono kunala.
Yeah, khona ungayenza ngcono. And manje ngibona manje this lady.
Yeah.
Umayene.
Yeah.
Like Maya shows me that I don't know how to clean. Like she shows me.
Yeah, there are some people.
Yazi na uthatha lento le. Uyibekela. Yazi it's either ngizohamba ngiyophuza itiye or else ngizohamba ngiyophutha lapha. And then mina lento bengiyiphuthile engibona ukuthi no ngengubo ngizigoqe kahle afike.
Yes. Shaye vele fanele.
So I think that's where my mom was like you don't have to like clean and stuff. Well, she was very clean and emayile umuntu ocleanayo makangekho. That's my job and I hate it. I hate cleaning. One thing I do like to do is cook, yabo.
Okay.
Now that I can, I do like to cook. Sometimes it tastes like, dude.
You never know until you try.
Sometimes the thing you pick out,
Yeah, some days where sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Yeah. But yeah. So yeah, nanje bega strict marugel shem. Mina sometimes bengiba grounded for like 3 months and she didn't give a fuck. Like, where you going?
Man, I find this game so cool. Like, you're grounded. Oh my god.
Didn't you get grounded?
Gubi, well, bang, shaya kala, bang ta telephone.
Yeah. Yeah, that too.
I get beat up and then I get taken the phone. I'm like, take the telephone.
Yeah, it's phone. Yeah. Listen, it's your very tell me, yeah, like she take my phone. I'd get my phone on Fridays and then take it back on Sunday or like Monday morning.
We still get it.
Listen. Best again, I confiscate the phone. Yeah. I won't see that phone for a very long time.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wait, so was this during high school or primary?
No, primary. Like a high school, but saying is pretty guy.
Steps.
No,
you understand what mean a primary being on a phone. Yakbon okuningi. Ifone yazi, I think I was doing grade 7 or 6. Late kona la.
Most people. For most people. I got my first phone in grade 1.
That's most people, yeah. Hey. Another example, this is what Nyamsugela Mangatas cheesing. Most people Tina stola my phone wethu
mashaka ma grade 6.
Omunye yena ifoni uyinya ku grade 1.
No, Lalela Singh story. It's not like they bought it for me special. It was my dad's phone. My dad really liked phones. Like it was like phones he always had the coolest phones.
Just the phone collection, ninja.
Yeah, he always had the coolest phones. Like, you know, had nice phones. So my dad bought a phone. My phone bought a dad. My dad bought a phone. And then I used his old phone, right?
Yeah,
Not sure how old the phone was, but I used to use it. No, it didn't do much. But I had a phone nonetheless. And then like I think for a couple of years until grade 3 or so, my sister got a new phone, I got her phone. No, go low grade 2, my sister got a phone, I got a phone. I only started getting like my phone bought specifically for me, go grade 4, E250.
Okay, yes.
That's when I started having phones. Saying my phone. So because my dad on my phone, when I changed my phone, it's not a problem. It was every now and then. And then we had a break-in.
Oh shit!
Yeah, and they took everybody's phone.
They had a field day. My baba could collect my phone.
My dad, like they had a field. Yes, have I ever told you guys the story of that break-in?
You haven't. It's a nice.
Let me tell you. So this is me, 10 years old and shit, minding my own business.
Yeah.
So I think during that World Cup time.
Yeah.
June holiday.
Yeah.
June holiday. I was what my school. Yeah, we think it was June holidays. Like after World Cup. After World Cup, government strike. Because I think it was an extremely long holiday.
Not that I'm aware of. I just know the holidays were as long as the World Cup.
Yes, they were long.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the June holidays. I see Hamba Valley. My sister has a little baby, her firstborn son. Oh, he's so tall now. He's taller than he's like your height. Your height tall.
Yeah.
Shut up. Shut it. So he was like a baby. My brother wasn't living with us at the time. My mom and my dad. So during the day we go shopping. We buy food, we buy meat. We come back home, you know, like regular familial things.
Yeah.
We watch television at night. It's a windy night. Like it's very, very windy.
Oh, yeah.
Before we go to bed, my mom says, and like Jameson Park, there was that whole there was a breaking thing that was happening, like.
But why when it's windy specifically?
I don't know. Oh, that's
Oh, it's
probably.
like good cause Slale.
Yeah,
Why
I don't know, but she
Because
just
it's
said that.
windy. But
I just.
but we're inside the house. Why are we sleeping? When it's
Kuyabanda
windy.
anyway. Makubanda
Kanjani? Mana
ngaphandle kubanda.
siphakathi endlini.
Okay,
Ihita.
Skibbs.
Manje winter ulala early. Okay,
Skibbs.
okay.
Yeah. Makubanda phandle kubanda la endlini.
It is, but
No, also probably
I'm trying
because
to picture. I'm trying to picture the
you know,
wind
I think
though.
probably because it's not busy in the streets because people are indoors, so they're
Oh,
less
okay.
likely to get caught.
But now people are inside the
This
house.
is not
What
the
if?
point. This is not the point.
Okay.
Okay, job is such escapes.
Yes.
No, the problem is that one of the cameras did something and then both the cameras did something and it had to be fixed and here we are, we're back. I don't specifically remember where we were. I mean, obviously, Sla. Mara, like, what we was talking about specifically was which era of parenting or like what kind of parent age group, like age-wise, do I prefer?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think for me, it's not an age thing, but being my mom was very strict until I was like 21.
Yeah,
but after logo, it was like, Mankuzwa, we sit down.
Yeah.
Listen, you shouldn't do this,
It's a
this, and this.
discussion, like.
Because 1, 2, and 3. But why did you do it? I want to know why you did it. Bese ngiyachaza. Bese wenza, okay, I see why you did that. But if you do that, this is what happens.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I believe in that kind of parenting.
fucks
Like,
with that.
but I see why it had to be like that for so many years.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, I'm traumatized because, damn, I couldn't speak up for myself for a long time. But I prefer a parent who's both ways, like who's both like laissez-faire and strict, you know?
Yeah.
Like, because then, angfuni. Okay, let me talk about myself as a parent. I don't want to be so strict to my kids that they can't talk to me about things that are important. Because I'm gonna fight first. No, I want that. Good. I figure zongitshela yazi ukuthi usiyanda ungiphula inhliziyo. Ngithi okay, ngitshele ke simthumele ngezulu. Ngiyadlala. Yes, but like that's my preference. When?
Okay. For me, I pretty much also say the same thing, man. Because now I grew up in a strict household, but with the older I grew, they're more lenient ngabanyana phela how ngizithola bese ngibuya by u6 ushaye ngapha 7 ushaye ngaphandle ngiyahlanya what ngibamba inkunzi la ngaphandle ngizohlala ebusuku kangaka late phela lapho but manje hawo sengazi nokubuya nango 8 hawo ngikwazi ukuza uzobuya namhlanje bengithi ngizobuya but because ke
ngisabuyelani when you're given like the allowance to do so it's not as fun anymore. Actually I do want to go home.
Man, right man endlini. So yeah, for me I prefer it like that. Let's ask around the panel. Nina nithini lana nawumbona lapha kwethu.
Umkhulu has a lot to say about this. Umkhulu has a lot to say. Yabona lena. Oh, he can go on for hours. So ngicela asabuye simkhathe ngoba go on. I'm telling you.
Oh, basam set up naye ngento. Hayi kubenjalo. Yeah.
But I mean, the thing about parenting is you can never really know what you're doing.
There isn't kunjani set rubo.
And the abantwana bafana.
That's another thing.
Do different things for different children because umntwana oyi-1 mawumshaya angahlala ngezwe omunye mawumshayayo uyawuba nje omunye you don't have to speak 3 times.
Just guy one is enough.
Bese sekayayenza leyo nto leyo.
So it definitely differs.
But usually for me I've realized the child that they are hard on depends how
most
hard
cases
is the one that actually builds most stability.
Because of in the discipline.
Discipline.
Okay.
Open to flow.
Oh, open to flow. Mkhulu ungathanda ukuphawula wena.
Open to flow lo ivulile. Nangu
Oh yeah, now open to flow self steleka open to flow. Care to open the floor.
Oh, Igbo, the big man, the big boss, big little man.
Umbuzo uthi for you which would you think works best? Like,
what type of parent?
What type of parent works best? Umzali omncane or omdala?
Omncane in what sense?
Age.
Age.
Yes. Umdala. Yeah, I prefer umdala. Why ngithi umdala? Because sekabonile ngakhulu. So ukwazi ukukhuza ngento ekhona asayibonile naye.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Unlike umzali omncane ozokukhuzela into naye angasisho bamkhuzile naye ukhuza wena mara akanayo yena le experience.
Also now just finding it out, man.
Yes,
yes. She's still going, or he's still going through life.
Yeah.
Like still learning and finding themselves.
Okay. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, that's my 2 cents.
Okay. Yes, no? No?
Yes.
No? Mkhulu bangene.
Yes.
Unentshisakalo.
Asikisi yazi ngilinde abanye nawe baphawule kanti. Nami ngilinde wena ngithi uzophawula ke nawe. But
yes. Kulento ayishoyo usiteleke.
Yes.
No, absolutely, because most of them you're a kid yourself, you don't really know what's going on. Like I'm thinking ukuthi if ngaba nomntwana ngizothi nginangaki, let's say 21.
Yeah. The thing is, it's a bit too sad because at the same time, it's also nice to have umntana at that young age.
It is.
Because you are in your 50s, 40s, late 40s to 50s.
You know, I think the nice part about having children young is the fact that that's when you're supposed to have them. Also, like,
right.
I'm looking at myself right now. Time is running out.
Abazali bethu ebashesha manje sekumi second born manje or third born
second fifth born number 5 no like it's like I'm very close to 30 now and manje no not 20 but I'm close to 30 and once ngafika ku 30 and I don't have my first child yet then there's a risk of it becoming a risky pregnancy so manje yabo ukuthi kube lesa sikhathi ngina 18 ngathi yazi awuzali bo disappointa kayona
mfethu
umkhulu phela yazi ngilinde ngengoma ubangeke ngihlala okay Thando nayi mic lapha okay yeah
No, man, I'd beg to differ. As a young mom, I prefer ukuthi ukhuliswe umama omncane than umuntu omdala. Abantu abadala, truly speaking, abantu auntie bethu abogogo bethu they were abazali abangakwazi ukuxolisa. Right. Umzali ukuthi mangabe kumele ukuthi ube sharp uzokuzela nebiltong marizolo lekatshela amasimba kunokuthi athi my boy yeah you fucked up mara aski singaxolisa. We are apologetic parents. I'm an apologetic parent. If I said ngizokuthengela uSpiderman and I feel somehow I forget one thing about my son, he doesn't forget.
Of course.
His medulla is oblongating.
It's oblongating.
Right.
Yes.
So now we are young, yes, we are living, yes. But uthando lomzali when you are a parent, you know your child. Ndondo wami is so sweet. No mumchika, you know.
Ndondo man.
Maungathi ndondo naughty corner is naughty corner. And for him that's enough. And then there's my daughter. Mangithe isuka lapho. Ampuni. She's stubborn, she's feisty, she's young, yes. Abafani, loya boy. That's why it goes back to what you said earlier, referencing. You said that Abu mama ngathi bafane baba soft amantombazane it's because girls are stubborn. Sithembi inyembezi. Kumdala ungaku yazi manje mawungakhala bangavala yonke lento bathi uyakhala oh my god. Marama windoda ukhala when you're a boy you swallow zenyembezi which is wrong. Our parents did that but Tina we allow our boy kids to cry. Was a mom. Talk to me. So as a young mom, I go for my mom was a young mom herself, and she did way better with my grandmother, of course, helping as ukoko, but her role felt necessary. Yes, when I had my first period, without hesitation, I went to my mom.
Fair.
When I broke my virginity, my mom. My mom and I are my mom and I are friends. We talk. It's beautiful.
No, I hear you, definitely. And that's why for me, I said I prefer like in between.
Yeah.
Right. And it's beautiful. Like I actually watch young parents now and how they raise their children. It's something very beautiful because feelings are valid, feelings are regulated, feelings are understood. Like
Shout out
you
to
are
you guys.
seen. Like it's the first instinct isn't to beat the child. It's always trying to find out why this child is doing this. And also to find out what's age appropriate for that child.
Yeah.
Because umntwana could be doing this thing because it's a phase.
We wanna somewhere.
Or we want somewhere. Let's try and find out why umntwana is exhibiting this behavior to begin with.
Yeah.
Like I prefer a balance. Like I don't want to become Ishobolo so much that my children are scared to come to me with issues like such as that. I want, if I have a girl child, yes, it's not a palatable conversation to have with your child. I'm thinking of losing my virginity. What should I do? That's where you sit down. You have to tell them, listen, here are the dangers of having sex. Here's what will happen if you don't do it. Here's what will happen if you do it. Here's what will happen if you do it this way or that way. Ngifuna umntwana be comfortable ukukhuluma. But also, angifuni ukuthi angijwayele kabi. Do you get what I'm saying? That's why I'm saying there has to be that balance of okay, this is my mom. Like I can go to my mom for anything, but also mama nothing's funny, you know. Okay, it's funny, but like you can't come with something that doesn't make sense. Like mind but now when we get serious, like serious things. For me, there are serious things which lay and compromise. So I think nobody really knows what works, if I'm being honest, because we're the new generation. There's a certain way that we want to raise our children. We don't know what they had the same thing. My mom says she was better than her mom, which is quite true. Like she was.
Yeah.
Because now I'm saying I don't want to be as tough as my mom. Probably my kid's gonna say the same thing.
Come to think of it, I'm guessing it's only nature. Okay? When you put it like that, it's only nature. I always wanna be like, I think it's hardwired to be better than the previous generation. That breeds innovation, I guess.
I get you. And then about that first period thing, because I was scared to say it. Like we had the talk. Yeah,
I thought it was like normal. Why are you scared?
Because it's something that's made taboo. Like people don't talk about periods openly. For me, Mina, it's just something I talk about like out in the open. If I take a pad, I don't hide it because everybody, every woman goes through this, and we are all here as a result of a missed period. So is it not nice that I'm having one? Like it's taboo. It's a taboo subject because of how in Tomazana my tomba, like it's the conversations that I had with her. If you've got older parents,
when you get on the period.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There's like that whole thing. We are saba. And you are told to put it's like your secret. Fair enough, because that's quite like spiritually and energetically, it's quite a time. Yeah. So it was top secret. So it's not an easy thing to go tell your parent, especially if they're strict like mine. Like for me, it was a difficult conversation. I think I sat for hours sitting there like, oh, so how am I gonna tell this girl? Like we had the conversation. It wasn't like the way you describe it. She just told me, this is how you use this, and when you get your period, come and tell me. If this happens, you fall asleep with the boy, you fall pregnant. Like it wasn't. It was just like a very
it wasn't that big of a thing.
Then I had to go to her, and she's sitting there with my sister. I'm embarrassed as hell. I don't know why I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed as hell, and I have to tell her, listen, so remember those things that you bought? I need them now. And she asked why. Why?
No, shoot that's why because I was making a sandwich. So
Tamak sauce.
ukuthi iyancedisa yona vele yabo to suck out the oil.
Yes, the oil from the patty.
From the pan and the patty and stuff.
Yeah, it's not an easy question. Yeah, I was saying, Guti, I don't want to become a shobolo. Like, I want to be with, okay, umama lowa like hi, umama pegile, but also, man, she's our mom. Like, she's nice, she's cool. And I want their friends to be able to, you find some kids are really unable to be free in their own homes. So I want their friends to be able to come to me as well. And then they end up getting in trouble, boy, too. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But we can only know, I can only ever know saying easier observation. Easier said than done.
Easier said
when it's my kid, who knows?
True that. Goddamn crazy. But yeah, this was interesting sitting, yeah? It's been interesting. No, angithi siqedile sihamba sengiyasho nje ngiyababaza Scapes like ngicine kudala mfethu ukubona
Okay. No, this has been interesting, man.
Man, it's fine. Nje ungitshele wena masongqosho ungitshele.
Angizange ngiqosha akusiyimo it's been interesting when has
Mara Scapes maranyasho ngithi mara. It has been a lovely chat.
No, it's been lovely. I've enjoyed it. Like I've missed having conversations like this. Like
it's been a while.
Life has changed so much, Scapes. Like damn. Like we were going Satati Sharp Kev. When he was saying this good EBCs.
Yeah.
Satati Sharp Kev. Because what the hell is going on? You guys like I was planning my life earlier on in life. I'm 25. So I'm a million valley. Like in a couple of months before. How old am I? No, I'm already 25. What the hell?
Oh, you're turning 26. Yes, turning 26.
I'm 20. So manje ngiyaplaying lapha time mase 25 millionaire ngihlala lapha ku mansion ngiyi-1 nama-business business woman what is what. And then I'm realizing, actually, damn, there are certain things first before we get there. Like, we have to work for the millions.
Yeah.
Like.
But you're on the right track. You do have a business.
So.
Yes. Businesses.
Yes.
At 25. So.
Yes.
You weren't far off.
I wasn't far off.
So still on the right track.
No, still on the right track.
Yeah. And I must say, as you need to spice this out, Manscapes. This thing it's this thing. I feel like setting targets for each other also. Kind of by us because we feel like
setting
if we haven't
for
reached,
each other.
Saying you should like bush setting a goal for yourself would be 25, you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ABC. That kind of thing, must all reach 25 and you haven't gotten to.
Oh, you meant
ABC.
for ourselves?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Scapes with ting
what's up for each other?
Well, for ourselves. Oh my god, okay.
That's what you want to say, but I was like, nah. Maybe he means we put pressure on each other.
So in life, when we set goals for each other, when we set goals for ourselves rather, we do tend to be a bit discouraged when there comes that specific age where you haven't reached that particular goal or target.
But I think, okay, yes.
Yeah, man, for me, I'm like, this limaza is also that. Which I feel like so long as you've reached, I wouldn't say the important milestones, but so long as you can still see la ofunuya corner.
But then, Scapes, I need to know where I'm going. But I'm just like, because now you're saying we should just do things and go just see where it's going.
You said at 25, I you wanted to reach be millionaire when I'm a business man. But mind yes, you're not a millionaire, you're not a billionaire yet, but you are on that track.
Oh, absolutely. I'm not bummed that I'm not a millionaire yet. Oh, the important things are the milestones. We're on the right track. Okay. Why?
Yo, yashayile sharp 10 loyishile. Yabo lecede ukhuluma ngayo sharp 10. That just
Sharp
happened
Kev.
now. Yona leyo sharp
Yo.
Kev, man.
No, but I think also Scabs is not just what we tell ourselves. What we tell ourselves is the very thing that drives us, Anish. Because if I'm sitting here and I'm saying, I see a millionaire, and then, okay, fine, whatever. Who cares? What's going to happen? I still need to go towards that million. But I think another thing is, because everybody's life is so exposed to like social media, everybody thinks that everybody that's showing things on social media is actually the thing. Because, I mean, we've found out that people buy a shopping bag with Louis Vuitton.
What?
Umuntu uphethe shopping bag with Louis Vuitton.
Uthenga i-shopping bag?
Yes, people sell shopping bags with Louis Vuitton.
No fucking way.
And these high-end brands, just so I can post online, so that it looks like I have Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton.
Yo.
Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. So it looks like I have a Louis Vuitton, or I have a Prada bag or Coach bag or whatever else is going on.
Damn.
Like, some people don't realize that. Some people don't work for things, honestly. You know? There are people that do. Who actually work honestly. There are people, you guys know, umadalas banyana, hamba what is what, like baba no sponsor ngaphathi wamantombazana, you know, like so we pressure ourselves because people our age are doing things. They're going lunches, they're doing this and they're doing that. So that's the kind of pressure that we have. Our parents didn't have this kind of pressure.
Yeah.
For one, jobs were easier to get. Yeah, sure. They weren't seeing ukuthi uneli walaphaya eTsakani wenzani. You know.
They're busy fighting.
They're busy doing their own
They're
thing.
busy.
My dad had a house at 24 and my mom was getting married at 24.
Look at that.
I understand.
Yeah.
The way things happened back then and now is not the
They're
same.
different.
So also the economy is becoming so bad and we are becoming such a materialistic society. So we want these things because the way to have a comfortable life is having exorbitant amounts of cash, like of money. A 20K salary is not enough for a normal South African household.
Yeah, honestly speaking, for this cut manje.
Exactly, and you find their households survivor ngama social grants. So, I mean, we have this pressure on ourselves. We want to do better than what we had.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Exactly.
Oh yes, hi Skibbs. But what's the girls' show without talking about Mjolo Fontaine? Mara, like, I want to know from you, and I think from everybody else on the floor, like, what makes a healthy relationship for you specifically? Because as abantu abangafani, you know, so there are different things that you feel. And you sure, for me, with every relationship I've had in my adult life, there was something new I learned about myself. Okay, I actually don't like that. So let's try this. Let's see this. What looks like a healthy one for you? What shows you that this one is not healthy?
I think just communicating, man. Mawunenkinga uyisho ukuthi ikhambani. Ngavela uthule le ndaba. I think for me kukho konke man. There needs to be communication, man. Even noma kuthiwa usikwatelena ngalendlela ukuthi maye uthi uyongishaya ngebhodo vele mayithi vele
Ngishaya ngebhodo.
kulo mkapa ngebhodo ngithele ngomsobho or something. We have to at least try and find that sanity in that storm. Let's at least try and sit down, talk things through. When 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't like this shit. I'm 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm like, okay, I see that. I call bullshit, or I say, okay, fair. I'll do 1, 2, 3 as you expect, or I can meet you in a common ground, or that kind of thing. So yeah, man, I think I think makes a good relationship, like communicating. Then obviously, a bad one. Hey, a bad one mfethu asikwazi ukuhlala ilanga lonke sikwatelene. That's insane. That's insane.
You know, I saw something recently that says that emotions last only for 40 seconds. And so
Imagine.
whatever happens longer than that, that means you're holding on to it.
Oh, shoot, after 40 seconds. Sekabambe kubo most lapho lo muntu. Yabona. So yeah, man. For me, that's a sign of like, this one.
No, but like, you know what I think, Skips? I think also it's unfair to say, umuntu asikwazi ukukwatelana ilanga lonke. We can. It depends on the gravity. Lalela thing you show.
Okay.
It depends on the gravity of what we're fighting about.
So
Uthini, let's say, example, shadile.
Yeah.
Right? We are in this marriage. I'm committed fully, 100% in. I saw ya figure when yo yazi ngimithi se uzibani bani wakazibani uthini ngikwate manje 40 seconds bese bese ngikwazi ukukwatilana lonke uthini what are you saying
ezathi ngibeke kanjani at the very least ukwata ungakwata can still be in the feels but say something you cannot keep quiet the whole time like
okay meaning nothing's funny.
Yeah, I get that it's not funny but obvious this shit is happening. Yeah, uyayicabanga le ndaba lena ungahamba kwesikhathi and then surely there has to be a time la ufika khona uthi okay mfethu the fuck happened njengoba ubusy nabo sibani ngaphandle what the actual freak
siyanda thina siyahlanya yazi thina siyahlanya ndoda yo
so okay mawusho kanjalo
okay, but I think it's.
I don't want to put. Yes, no, I don't want to say what's the standard time or allowed period or preferred method, but
of anger.
If validity, date of validity. How long must this anger be valid for? It's in expiry date of being in the fields, for lack of better words. Like, what do you think is acceptable? Like, at least, can we talk after 2 days? After 3?
It really depends. It depends. Ne? It depends. Okay, so if I'm mad at you, ne, as a person, as my partner, first it depends what you did. Like, I can't be mad at you for something, like for the whole day. Yo, I think it. In like the example I made, you can't. I can't give it a time frame.
Yeah,
I can't do it. I can't. And let me not get arrested for arsony because no,
yeah, no, that one is
yes,
wild.
yes. Because if I did the same thing, you as a man, you wouldn't accept that. So why you mean I'm understanding? You get what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't think that it depends on what it is. Me, like I prefer for them. Like, live it out, you know? Like, live out your anger. Don't be angry and then be okay because I'm going to get mad. Because, like, us women, we have that, like, thing. If you get mad at me, I'm going to be mad at you that you're mad at me. Because why the hell are you mad at me? Are you crazy?
Mara wasiwokwatile manje bangabe it's like manje into yenza isound.
Only thing is when we are kwata ne. Manje kumele ungitshengise ukuthi ungikwatela. Yabo? Wena ungitshengisa ukuthi ungikwatela, mina ngizokukwatela ukuthi wena ungikwatela. No, I'm not saying good right. We have a tendency of doing that. That's just the way it is. I have a tendency of doing that.
Okay.
I have a tendency of because why are you mad at me? I don't want you to be mad at me. And am I
yeah.
No, mkhulu, angisho ukuthi ku right. Ngiyasho nje ukuthi into eyenzakalayo. Into engithola nami sengiyenza. Yabo. As the person who's rightfully angry, you should stand your ground. Like put me in my place. Uyahlanya ndoda. Ayikho lento ishoyo. Ayikho lento yenzayo. Angikwazi ukukwateleni because yimo ne right yokukwata. Okay, then we sit down. Yabo. Bese uyangitshela no, la bo wrong. And this is why I say borong. This made me feel like this. When you do this, it makes me feel like this. Then I can say, okay, let me tell you why I did what I did. Yeah, but maybe it makes sense. Maybe you call bullshit. But at the end of the day, we have to reach a consensus.
Yeah.
For me, I prefer to talk about things, saying calm it down with a clear mind. Yes. Saying calm it down. Ingqondo yami say clear.
Hayi laba nabajutana la
Angifuni ukukhuluma
e-studio.
ngento in the heat of the moment. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngiyahlanya. Ne? And angihlanyi obvious. Yabo.
Awuhlanyi obvious.
No, it doesn't always come out.
Yeah.
Like sengisho le yabo le yokulwa le.
So then just too
No,
big.
I think in most cases mhlawumbe ngiyazikhulumela. In most cases like actually I don't know, never mind.
Hey, izanazo. Hey, Joe,
no, like ngizothini scabs. Kunama cases where I get angry ne.
Yeah.
Bese ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kahle uyenzani lo muntu.
Okay.
Bese maybe I say something. Actually, you know what? I don't like this and that. Fight me, I beg you. Okay, sometimes I'm like, okay, let me hear why you did this. And then they'll say, oh no, I did this because of this. Then I'm like, okay, but that's wrong. You shouldn't do this because it makes me look like this. Young told.
Yeah.
And then sometimes like this thing where I'm saying this baby. So I'm gonna refer back to something. I think I've spoken about it on the channel somewhere. There's this guy who told me that Bogu Abraham, well, the other girl he was saying, I don't know, is there. I said, she's here to see us. And I was like, she's here to see us. What do you mean?
How?
Yeah. I don't know, or I lost my senses that day. I was breaking glasses, I was making noise and banging doors. I didn't know I could do that, you know? I didn't know I could do that, but I did it. And then, you know, after that, that's why I don't like doing things in the heat of the moment, because also my voice escalates and I don't like shouting because I don't like being shouted at. So I don't like shouting at the other person. I do it, yes, but like I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? So I forgot my point, but I had a point, I promise. Oh yes, that was the point. I need to calm down before addressing it. So also, you can't give me a time period, Uti, by the end of the day, no, we can't. I'm still not okay. Some piece of my point, I'm together. And of which, let's us cut let's 11 p.m. Saturday, 3 December. So I want to go and calm down. Actually, maybe I was overreacting. Because sometimes I do overreact.
Okay.
I'll admit that. I overreact quite a lot, actually, because I'm quite dramatic. Okay. So let me go calm down. Manje,
what would the longest time be? Oh, what has the longest time been? Like when they actually went ngakhulumanga nomuntu. Like in the heat of the moment, what's the longest you've been silent to that person?
I don't know.
No, like
yes, sometimes
man.
That's sometimes. Maybe you do something that I've told you I don't like.
Yeah.
And we end and I watch you do it. And then in the heat of the moment, you shoot. Yes, or maybe no, actually this person did this because you did something again.
Okay.
I basically maybe lapho ngiyashuthi yazi lesikhathi lesiya ubhizi lapha wenza ukuthi nokuthi I didn't like that. Maybe that's like a week or two later.
No, that's not bad. Man. Let's say
like silent
quite straight. Let's say what we've been talking about manje. I'm like sikhulume manje le ndaba. Then you're like I ngizokhuluma mangikame down.
Oh, a couple of days.
So that period.
It was a couple of days. With who's that guy? What did I name him?
Roxanne.
No, not Roxanne. No,
Abraham.
Not Abraham. Yes, sis.
Rose.
Rose, why? To surface area. It was a couple of days. It was a couple of days because I was trying, okay, because with this particular one, I was trying to iron out something. And he kept saying he's fine. Akakwatang. Mara ngiyakubona ukuthi ukwatile ndoda.
What the fuck?
Oh, do you know what I did?
Mara, wait. Umnike isikhathi esingakanani yena for him ukuthi akhule down, akhulume now?
He said
Did you
there's
ask
nothing
him?
wrong.
Did you ask him on the day?
No, it had been a couple of days ngibona ukuthi kusnacks la. So I have to ask ndoda, kusnacks kwenzakalani? You know.
No, Marapo, should nah, he was in his feels most.
No,
They had
nothing
3
is wrong.
days.
No, if he wants to be a princess, then he must go date other men.
So Tina sikwazi ukwata 3 days Tina. Sesizwa ngama princess, mara nikwazi ukwata 4 weeks. What? Make that make sense.
No, Skips. The thing is,
Uthini kimi kahle?
there was nothing. He was just acting snacks.
Oh, okay.
There literally was nothing because then I decided, well, you know what, listen, I'm gonna come see you because also it's because we hadn't met for like 2 weeks. Like we hadn't
Okay.
seen each other. So
He absent,
he distanced me, so I went there. What's going on? No, he had his own problems on his own.
Okay.
But somehow it ended up becoming my fault.
What the fuck?
What the hell is wrong with me?
Oh.
You know, so that's why I began snacks. Now I'm being in my own depressive episode.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I'm trying to be there for this person and they're like not coming to the party. So
Ish.
I understand. I think, so there it was a couple of days, shame. Because I was also like, I'm trying. So now I'm saying,
Nah, that's not bad.
That's not,
bad.
no?
When I tell how long? No, matter 3 days. Pela, yes, I thought actually the worst you'd say would be like a week or something. So that's why I'm like,
Oh no, there are people that I left like that, like and then eventually I just never went back.
So till this day, Jay. Till this day.
Yeah,
Got
till
there
this
on
day,
Tanavan.
they've never heard from me.
That's wild.
I don't
That's
think
wild.
it is.
But I think, yeah, anxiety, man, we've once had those experiences, all of us, I think. I'm sure bakhona la benu. Basalindile namanje abantwana babantu. Business bashaya ngebomb nini. So damn.
You've never done that before?
Oh, I have. Nami ngumuntu mos barangishilo ngathi musonke la. Ngiyazibala nami self.
Wena
Utheni
Skepzi?
self-awareness.
Okay. When a woman, like what kind of person are you then? Are you the one that waits for the heat to cool down or are you the one that does it in the heat of the moment?
The thing is, I don't see myself as angry when I address Endaba.
Okay.
So, Mina,
In
I
the-
would like to
Wena
address
uboni.
Endaba Lapo as it happens. But in me addressing it, I'm thinking I'm calm as fuck. When in actual fact,
You're not.
I'm not.
Okay.
So I don't know if that answers the question.
So you're a heat of the moment type of person.
For a lack of better words.
You see, this is why I'm saying I don't like to address in the heat of the moment. I can't control what I'm going to say.
Mana, that's the thing. Kwamina self-nescapes, mangikhuluma. Ngikhuluma into ngiyenze sure ukuthi vele man, like ngizamile ukuyicabanga man.
Ucabange nini ku-heat of the moment?
Typing calm la. And then ngizwa sengiz enhle kwena san ungekho calm wena. Shit.
You see?
So that's crazy. Mara, siyazama ukufunda, siyazama ukuchange.
No, but here's another thing.
There's
You know
a
when you
change.
try to argue with somebody and then they just don't.
You
Yo!
don't- Yeah.
Just let me pick this fight. What's wrong with you?
Just this cool.
Asilwe again, daughter. Let's bring some drama into this thing. Bese umuntu avela become. And I'm sorry, ngiyaxolisa. No,
This is
don't
actually
say
what I'm
sorry.
You know, this is actually a conspiracy I have. I feel like sometimes some of the drama in relationships is caused by ngamabom, just to keep the spark alive. Angazi if nyahlanya or kanjani. Mara
Look at all of these men nodding.
nithini nina angazi ngani bafowethu. Angazi ngani.
Ngamabomu.
Ngamabom. Cause like yawa njengoba usho iza manje qeda ukuthini like cabanga akwatela umuntu akwatelanga you're like let's argue bruh just for the fun of it what ngiyavumelana namba mfethu
No,
abafethu bavumelana
actually,
nama
because this guy said he started something that would make me argue on a regular day, and I was just like, oh, okay. How? You just gave up so easy.
Alright.
And I was just like, what the hell is wrong with you? Actually, like.
Look nonchalant at its best.
And then mina mangithi kuye when uyathanda mina mangumuntu olwayo. And they're like, no. But they actually, you men, actually, niyathanda masiloku sikhuluma kakhulu ne.
Tina?
Yes.
No.
You
what
do.
makes you say
no,
that?
you guys do because bese masesithulile, like you know, no, because also I've seen.
Okay.
Maybe true, maybe not. Umuntu olwa nawe umuntu okuthandayo ndoda. Umuntu okulwisayo, umuntu okuthandayo.
God damn.
No, but think about it. Imagine uyahamba lapha nephunuza. Niyama untomzodo ufletha nawe na ufletha nontomzodo bese manihamba umuntu right. Like, and you know what you were doing. Like you were doing it on purpose because this person has to get jealous. And it doesn't happen.
Why would I feel like that's so. Why would I do that on purpose?
I'm just making an example. Or let's say, for instance, there's something bekaloka. And then they suddenly go quiet. Agasaklwisi, no more arguments.
Oh, okay, I get you now. I get you now. Yeah, no, yeah. Futhi ngasho kakhulu for thina vela bafethu manje frustana. It's gonna be a certain way ngizokutshela ngayo. Like I'll let you know what I like, what I don't like. What I like is a certain way, and uthole sometimes it rubs that female the wrong way. Njengoba sekubangathi hi Lona, hi ini uya commander or he's bossing me around or washa kwacima uzama ukungicontroller. I think that's where those phrases come from. But in all honesty, that kind of thing, in most cases, comes from love. I'm not saying all the time, because
I'm not sure what you're talking about. No,
Scabs, I'm
I'm trying to find the relevance.
Show me now what you're talking about, Manj. In that Boguti, umuntu okuthanda ngisho uyozokhreprimanda and stuff. So that's what I'm
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm watching you.
Okay, yes. Yes, so that's what I'm saying. Once, especially about Muntu's father, we love to talk. Like, my favorite thing to do is talk. Like. So now, if Umuntu sakathulile akasakhuluma akasakomplain akasa
something's wrong.
Exactly.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying.
Mara
uqinisile wena Scabs, yes, like amanye fights I think like because so I went ngathi sekuthule kakhulu la man.
I think let this spark nyana man.
Starting fights.
Oh.
Anyway,
have you ever done that before?
Yes.
How was it? No. Anyakwazi wena Scabs angeke uphike uyamela wena straight yakho.
How was it? It was nice.
Oh.
No, but the thing about this, it's like dangerous territory because you might start a fight and it might turn on you.
Yeah, like that's what I'm wondering. With like, how does it work out?
Like it might turn sour. As of late, it's working out well.
So far, so good. I'm a review so far.
So good.
Just cruising.
We are cruising nicely.
Yeah.
We are cruising nice. As I'm telling you, I'm going to say, manje ngenzeni.
Literally everything going on. What the hell? Kanjani manje? Damn
I'm like,
I know. I mean, I don't think have I. No, guys, we don't do that in most cases.
No, guys is who? Like you men.
Yeah, create a fight out of. Okay, I don't create a fight out of nowhere. Most gents, I know. I think I could mela abanye abantu. Me, nah. I'm not that kind. Like to just out of nowhere
I'm
pick
sure
a fight. As a general, I mean, a relationship, I feel like Melly poor. Yes. Bayavuma. Mele ibore a relationship ngogangam. And what I mean by that, it has to be quiet. It can't be in a relationship we arguing ukuthi hey ngiyasola ukuthi wena ubhizi nobani or bani usola ukuthi
that's not what I mean ukuthi njalo kumele kube njalo. I'm saying yeah, but there's a time I'm saying ukuthi there are times where it's quiet, right? And it's nice, it's comfortable silence. Like even when you're together, you're just quiet. Do
you mean on the day-to-day things?
No. I'm just speaking in general. There are quiet times, like Uti. It's just nice. We just love each other.
That's what I mean. You know,
also. But yeah, Skips. I'm not sure where we were exactly, but many things on Jela as a man Lisa. Learn your woman's cycle and young kind is over right. Kwanati guys sometimes just understand. Kwanati, we don't feel ourselves. We don't feel like ourselves. There are times where just before the period, it's 24. It's in a full like. Okay. I'm full of, and if you're gonna do anything in sense, guess what? It's about heat of the moment. During the period, it's more of an emotional time. The nice things, buy your chocolate, your wine, or whatever the preference is. Immediately after the period, I'm myself. Like I'm myself. Soon after that, it's ovulation. That's where you can go and ask for bums. Chances are you'll get them for real there, and you'll get the freak. You'll get that one.
Oh yes.
After that, like if you learn the cycle. We can learn to know when she's hungry as well. Because sometimes you're just hungry. Like myself, I'm in a bad mood. I'll be in a bad mood. But I'm not the nicest person. Even not just to my partner, just to anyone. Really. In general, I'm not nice. Just learn. Umkhulu always says ufundi imizwa yomuntu wesifazane. That's the way to go. At the end of the day, that's just how it is. Fair, I don't know. There are a lot of things that are unfair. Life isn't fair. I guess it makes it fair.
Not too long there.
And that's
it is nature crumbles. After all, well, yeah.
And that's how the cookie crumbles.
Yes.
Thank you for tuning in, everybody. If you made it this far, big ups to you. Share. But subscribe. And now subscribe if you haven't subscribed. There are many other videos on the channel. If you haven't watched them, go back and watch them. It's not me. I have a twin sister. We're identical.
Tando, no Nando.
Yeah, Nando's. You know, my grandmother used to call me Nando's.
Really?
Yes. She's I remember when she took me to Nando's for the first time. Yeah. Just cause, Yeah. Okay, guys. Yes, this is Tando Match, Tando the Wave. You can fuck around and drown
off this way. Nomfana kasiyanda Mr. Mbatha abafokazana bethiyanga amahlahla thiyanga inkomo ngisho nomthinda bezithi impela.
Until next time, bye.